we've made sure it's really easy to install our floating pine shelves. You will need a drill, a spirit level, a pencil, a tape measure, a spanner and a hammer. In your shelf packaging you will have found wall plugs, steel washers and a steel supporting pin with screws. We do recommend our floating shelves are fitted into brick or masonry walls. First decide where to position the shelf and use a tape measure and level to mark up the drill holes. Drill a 10mm diameter hole and put the wall plug in, hammering it flush with the wall. Next, slip the washer onto the screw thread and screw the shelf supporting pin into the wall plug. I just want to point out at this stage that the screw is not centred with the bracket, as it allows you to adjust it. Push the shelf on, but only as far as the knurled section. Now you can use a spanner or adjustable wrench to level the shelf. Our steel brackets adjust when rotated. Turning the screws both tightens the fitting and adjusts the height. Once you're completely happy with the height and it's level, push the shelf all the way to the wall.